This is Abilash. I wanted to develop my skill and go to another level. So I thought, let me become a forklift operator. And I went through Google and I was looking for a very good, genuine forklift place where I can get trained with the proper instructor. WorkSafe was on top of list in Google. So I thought to come over here to shift my career. When I came here first, I was a bit scared about the machines. And people over here, especially Mr. Nathan, he walked me through all the machines and he told me how the machine works, and he took my scare out of me. And the happiest thing is, like, after I got trained from WorkSafe, within like 12 days, I got a job opportunity from a very good reputed company, manufacturing company. And I'm so excited. I'm going to work for them from Monday. But there were several guys with me who was there for interview, but they couldn't get it. I believe just because of the training I got from here, I've been selected over there. So that's a very good life achievement moment for me. So I just want to share it with you guys.